Hello, my friend. Today we will practice easy public speaking. You will speak with me. You will repeat after me. Let us start. I am confident, I am calm, I am ready to learn. I want to speak good English. I know I can do it. Today I will speak simple lines. I will speak slowly. You will repeat after me. This is shadowing. It is easy. It is fun. When I speak, you speak after me. Do not think too much, just copy me. Just follow my voice. This is how you grow. Let us start the practice. I speak with confidence. I can speak clearly. I can speak loudly. I can speak slowly. I can speak without fear. I believe in myself. My voice is strong. My words are simple. People listen to me. I like my voice. I am not shy now. I speak with a smile. I speak from my heart. I speak with good energy. I speak with good mood. I speak to learn. Every day I am better. My English grows. My confidence grows. My speaking is smooth, my mind is calm, I am not scared, I can talk to anyone, I can speak in public, I can share my ideas, I can express myself, I am improving, I am strong, I am smart, I am proud of myself. Thank you for speaking with me. Keep practicing every day. You will become amazing.
I want to tell you a simple story. There was a boy. He wanted to speak English well. Every day he listened to English, but he was afraid to speak. He thought, my English is bad. People will laugh at me. One day he decided something. He said, I will practice every day. He started with easy words, very easy words. He spoke slowly. He made mistakes, but he did not stop. After 1 week, he felt more confident. After 1 month, he could speak better. People did not laugh. People supported him. The boy understood one thing. Practice is more important than talent. You do not need perfect English. You need daily practice. If you practice for 10 minutes, you improve a little. If you practice daily, you improve a lot. Remember this, slow progress is still progress. Do not stop. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. You can do it. There was a man. He worked every day. He wanted to speak English. At first, English felt difficult. Words did not come. Sentences broke. But he did one thing. He did not quit. Every morning he practiced for 10 minutes. He listened. He repeated again and again. Some days were good, some days were bad, but every day he learned something. Slowly his fear went away. His voice became clear. One day he spoke without fear. That day he smiled. Practice changed him. Story 2, Small Steps, Big Change. A simple person wanted a better life. He knew English was important. He started very small, one sentence a day. I am learning English. I will not stop. Some people were faster, some people were better, but he focused on himself. Day by day, he improved. Mistakes became lessons, fear became confidence. He understood one thing. Speed is not important. Consistency is important. If you speak daily, you grow daily. Even one sentence matters. Keep going.